FirstPromoter and Rewardful are two SaaS affiliate tools used to track sales. This video compares both services to find the best option. While both apps track sales, they have a very different approach to setup and campaigns. We analyze the setup, campaigns, payouts, and branding, plus two other key areas to see which one performs better. By the end, you'll know which affiliate management tool is right for you. Getting started and the technical setup. FirstPromoter and Rewardful both offer ways to connect your billing provider to your affiliate program so you can track sales automatically. As of today, the biggest difference between them is how many billing platforms they work with. FirstPromoter works with Stripe and Paddle, but it gives you more options if your business uses other tools like Recurly, Braintree, or ChargeBee. But here's the real differentiator. If you're using a unique or custom billing system that isn't on that list, FirstPromoter provides a robust API. This allows you to connect basically any subscription native provider on the planet, making it a future-proof choice if your tech stack ever changes. The setup for FirstPromoter is quick, usually taking just a few minutes once you connect your accounts and add the tracking scripts to your site. Because FirstPromoter handles more complex setups and is subscription native, it is built to manage the entire lifecycle of a customer, including renewals and upgrades. Rewardful is built specifically for people using Stripe or Paddle. If you use one of those two, the setup is very fast. They use a simple 5-step process that usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to finish. It is designed to be a no-code experience, which means you do not need to be a computer expert to get it running. Both platforms require you to test the integration to make sure sales are being recorded correctly before you invite your first partner. This stage is all about making sure the pipes are connected so that when a customer buys something, the software knows which affiliates send them. Managing campaigns and your affiliate partners. When we look at how FirstPromoter and Rewardful handle campaigns, the limits on their starter plans are the biggest difference for a growing business. FirstPromoter takes a more flexible approach to its basic plan. As of today, it allows you to run up to 3 different campaigns right away. This is helpful if you want to have separate groups of partners with different commission rates. FirstPromoter also supports up to 3 levels of sub-affiliates, offers unlimited team members on all plans, and a recent major update, the custom roles and permissions. The trade-off is that FirstPromoter limits you to 1,000 total affiliates on the basic plan. Rewardful starter plan is very focused. It only lets you run one single campaign. This is fine if you just have one group of affiliates, but it can be a problem if you want to test different offers. Additionally, the starter plan is limited to 2 team members and does not support custom roles. However, Rewardful does not limit how many affiliates you can have. You could have 10 partners or 10,000, and the price stays the same as long as your revenue stays under their limit. Both tools give your partners a private dashboard to see their stats, which makes the daily work easier. So that covers managing campaigns and partners for both platforms. If you already know which one you're leaning more towards, you can find my affiliate links in the description. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Both FirstPromoter and Rewardful offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test them out for yourself without spending any money. Now, let's compare their payouts, taxes, and compliance. Handling payouts and legal compliance. FirstPromoter and Rewardful take different paths when it comes to paying your partners and staying legal. FirstPromoter helps with compliance by collecting tax forms like W-9 or W-8 BEN and even EU invoices directly through the dashboard. This is included as a standard feature on the business plan for a flat monthly rate. While both tools offer bulk payouts through PayPal and Wise, FirstPromoter also has a premium feature called Managed Auto Payouts, where they handle the entire process for you. It's currently available for enterprise users, but it'll be available to more users in the next few months, making it a great option for growing businesses that want to automate their payments. Rewardful also lets you use PayPal or Wise for bulk payouts. As of today, Rewardful offers a managed payouts service, which is currently in beta with fee. This is a hands-off option where Rewardful handles the payments, identity checks, and tax forms for you in exchange for a processing fee. For security, both tools include fraud protection to stop self-referrals, which helps keep your program honest. Branding and the user experience. FirstPromoter and Rewardful allow you to customize how your affiliate portal looks to your partners. Both platforms let you add your logo and change the colors of the dashboard so your partners feel like they're still on your website. However, if you want a truly custom look, FirstPromoter gives you much more control. You get full support for custom CSS and JavaScript to change almost anything about the portal's design. You can even embed the entire affiliate dashboard directly inside your own website or app. Rewardful offers a branded affiliate portal, but its customization is much more limited compared to FirstPromoter. Another area where FirstPromoter wins is communication. It has built-in email automation and the ability to send broadcast emails to all your affiliates at once. Rewardful has very limited email functionality, so you might need to use a separate tool to talk to your partners. Now, when it comes to mobile, neither platform offers a dedicated mobile app, as the affiliate market is primarily desktop-driven. While both portals are mobile responsive for quick check-ins, deep data analysis is always easier on a larger screen. Understanding cost and revenue limits. FirstPromoter and Rewardful both charge based on how much money your affiliates bring in each month. This success-based pricing means you pay more as your program grows. Both products start at $49 per month for their entry-level plans, but you have to look closely at the revenue caps. FirstPromoter's starter plan covers up to $5,000 in monthly revenue from affiliates. Rewardful's starter plan gives you a bit more room, covering you up to $7,500 in monthly revenue. Both companies offer a discount if you pay for a full year at once. In fact, both give you 2 months for free if you choose annual billing. This brings the price of FirstPromoter down to $490 per year and Rewardful down to a similar discounted rate. As you grow larger and your affiliates bring in more than $15,000 a month, both platforms move you into an enterprise tier that starts at $149 per month. If you hit a revenue cap, there's no need to worry. Tracking never stops. The transition to a higher tier is seamless and completely invisible to your affiliates. Reporting and daily workflow. After using these products for 90 days, the most important thing is how easy it is to see what is working. FirstPromoter is the clear winner for data nerds. It provides very detailed reporting with 18 different data points that you can group by day, week, or month. Because it is billing system first, it automatically tracks things like refunds, churn, and downgrades to keep your numbers accurate. You can see reports on specific campaigns, traffic sources, and even individual landing pages. Rewardful keeps its reporting much simpler and more basic. It focuses on the big numbers like clicks and conversions. This is perfect for the business owner who just wants to see if the program is working without getting lost in the details. Rewardful also has a very deep integration with the Stripe dashboard, which means you can see some of your affiliate data directly inside Stripe. This makes the daily workflow feel very smooth if you already spend a lot of time looking at your Stripe payments. Both tools allow you to download your data as a CSV file if you want to use it elsewhere. Which one should you pick? Choosing between FirstPromoter and Rewardful depends on the stage of your business. You should pick FirstPromoter if you are looking to scale and want deep control over your program. It gives you the advanced reporting, tax collection, and flexible commission logic you need as your revenue grows. It is the better choice for managing multiple partner types like affiliates and influencers in one place. However, if you're an early-stage SaaS founder and you want the fastest setup possible with a higher revenue limit on a budget, Rewardful is likely the one for you. It is built to be simple and just work with Stripe or Paddle. Both platforms are very stable and trusted by thousands of companies. Since they both offer a 14-day free trial, the best thing you can do is sign up for both and see for yourself. You don't even need a credit card to start the trial with FirstPromoter, so there is no risk in giving it a try today. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use my links in the description. So, are you leaning more towards the advanced control of FirstPromoter or the quick setup of Rewardful for your business? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.